Hi guys, this is Mary, the monkey wench from Pennsylvania Bigfoot Project. I'm here at the Forest County Bigfoot Festival, Marienville, Pennsylvania, June 11, 12, 13. I hope y'all can stop by. I'll be speaking tomorrow on Saturday, 11 a.m. Stop by my booth, please. Just give you a quick little video tour. Everyone is still setting up yet. This is my neighbor. He is a furrier, leather goods, fur goods, and feathers. Other vendors. Snuffy DeStefano is here, somewhere back there. He carves Bigfoot statues, wood carvings. There's a barbecue food truck and a burger food truck. Kettle corn. And other vendors soon to be coming in. A whole bunch down this road also. But Marienville, Pennsylvania, stop by. I've got t-shirts, both children's and adult sizes. Adults small through 3X, children small through XL. I have night vision binoculars, other tote bags, some things for the ladies, flag pins also, misting spray and facial wipes for the ladies because it's hot and muggy, help keep you cool. But stop by. T-shirts, $20, both children's and adults. Hope to see y'all. Come on, stop by. God bless. Monkey wench out.